Alright guys, welcome back to another Sunday shave video. Today we are going to be talking about something it's actually pretty cool. I've never seen anything exactly like this, but what it is going to be called the HEADSHARK. Now, this HEADSHARK it's meant for head shaving, but it looks like a regular face shaving razor to an extent. We'll pop one out here in a second and kind of show it in detail. But what you do is you order these. I found them on Amazon. It's an 8-pack, but really what they send you is 2 4-packs. Because we are actually going to give this away. So this is why this one is unopened. So we will show real quick what one looks like, kind of in a little bit of detail. Okay, so right off you see it's kind of funny looking. It's like it can be held like that, you know, and you can shave the head with it like that, or you can grab it down here, right there, shave with it that way. Also in the order, now I don't know if this is normal or not, they screwed this order up and they had to resend them. So with it, I got a coaster, really cool. That's a drink coaster. And then I got 3 stickers. Nope, I take that back. That's a magnet. I did not know that was a magnet. So I got a refrigerator magnet, a big HEADSHARK sticker, and then a small round HEADSHARK sticker. So, you know, that's a nice little touch for presentation. It didn't come in like a fancy box or anything. But for $15.99 for 8 of them, I'm not going to complain at all. So right off the bat, the price is exactly right. Now, a second ago, I mentioned the giveaway. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting together just a small shaving pack. What it's going to have a 4-pack of the HEADSHARKs, and it's also going to have a Defender in it, a brand new, unopened, unused, I know that'll disappoint some of you, Defender razor in it. The rules for the giveaway, really guys, I mean it's simple. Let's use this video for the giveaway. And what I want you to do is comment below hashtag shark. Let's just go hashtag shark. So it doesn't matter if you put it in a comment by itself or you say whatever you're going to say, and then at the bottom put hashtag shark. So just in some way, shape, or form, drop me a comment, hashtag shark, and that will enter you in the giveaway. We will run this for we'll run it for about a week. Alright guys, so the HEADSHARK is a 3-blade pivoting head razor. It's got a lube strip, it's got a comfort strip on the bottom, rubberized handles, really super comfortable to hold. You can actually shave in 4 or 5 different positions using that kind of handle. It's not really similar to anything I've used, so I'm really hoping for a good shave with this one. And with that being said, let's get into a head shave and see how well this thing works. Alright guys, so again, like I just stated, we're going to go over the HEADSHARK today. They basically come out to $2 a piece. Looks like you can hold this, you know, like that. You can hold it like that. I guess really hold it, you know, however you want. You can maybe hold it like that. It looks like it really reached down far. It's a pretty long razor, you know, holding it up to my arm there. And so we will get into a head shave and see how we like it. So for today, we are going to revisit the Naked Armor shaving brush, as well as the shave cream from Dollar Shave Club. So this is I've kind of been using this shaving cream for all my shaves here recently. So you know, in order to kind of keep it fair between all the razors, I'm just going to go ahead and stick with this shaving cream for my razor reviews from now on. Obviously, if I run out or, you know, something like that, I might have to use something different. Alright guys, let's wet the razor and get into it. I think I'll try to hold it. I think I'll try to hold it like that, maybe. Ah, there it is, right there. You hold it backwards. Yeah. Probably hold it like that too. Okay. So right off the bat there. Had a hair off my brush that fell off onto my head. So right off the bat there, I mean, that wasn't too bad. It didn't feel super tuggy. It felt like it glided pretty good. But I got a lot of hairs off my brush there. I know I ain't got a hair that long on my head. This does have a pivoting head. It doesn't pivot a long ways, but it does pivot slightly. So kind of work over. You know what? One thing, this does have a really small head on it, and I actually appreciate that. You know, for the styling purposes of it, getting around the ears and stuff like that. I'll shut up, speed this up, and we'll see how it works. Alright guys, so that is that. I'm somewhat impressed. So one thing I did notice, it is a very small head on the razor. Again, like I've already showed you, that's pretty small for a 3-blade. So you are going to rinse the razor, you know, more often. Other than that, it was a fairly comfortable shave. I don't have a single nick on my head. I don't feel any irritation. Let's put it to the test. There's been other razors in the past that I've reviewed that I wouldn't dare put this splash on my head. And this isn't a high alcohol content in this splash. Oh yeah, see that's fine. Yeah, nothing wrong there. So, okay. So a couple of things that might be viewed as negative. It's not the fastest razor in the world. Even though I sped that up, you can probably tell I've had other razors that are much quicker. So if you're in a hurry, you know, you have these, you might want to grab something else. The head clogs up a little easier, or you rinse it more. It doesn't necessarily clog up, but you know, you get your buildup and stuff. That happens a little bit more than with other razors. But as far as the shave, man, it was a really nice shave. The blade seemed good and sharp. Holding this thing, so I figured out pretty quick that I liked holding it like this, for across the back of the neck there. Man, you can reach a long way on this thing. And then when I got up close up here where I didn't need a lot of room, I was holding it like this. I was holding it down here like that. So all the different ways you can hold this is actually really nice, or you can just hold it like a regular razor, you know, like if you wanted to shave your face with it, you know, or whatever. So I'm definitely gonna give that one my approval and definitely my recommendation. So I would say 5 shaves with this. I wouldn't personally want to go over 5. Now I could even be wrong on that. It could go 3 shaves and done. That's $2, so you know, you're looking at, you know, less than $1 a shave. Some people view that as kind of expensive, depending on, you know, what you're used to. If you're a wet shaver or something like that, your shaves are probably a lot cheaper than that in the long run. But if you're somebody that still uses cartridge razors and you're buying Mach 3s and this and that and everything else, this is probably a much cheaper option, especially if you're not a daily shaver. You know, if you're a daily shaver, you're probably gonna want to go traditional just for the cost. But like I said, if you're a once a week shaver, if you shave your head 6 times a month, you know, something like that, this is definitely an affordable option. Like I said, they're around $2 a piece. I would say you get at least 5 shaves out of these, and you could even get more, but again, it could be less. So guys, like I said, it's definitely got my approval. It's definitely got my recommendation. HEADSHARK, you did an excellent job. If you're seeing this, probably won't, but if you are, you know, you guys done an excellent job. This is a super cool design. You know, like I said, nice touch with the stickers and the coaster and the magnets. Super cool. You know, I like seeing stuff like that. I'm a sticker guy. I love stickers, so popping that open and finding that stuff in the bag along with this, really super cool. So, guys, that's really, you know, for $2, I can't say enough good about it. Okay, so again, guys, this has been the HEADSHARK. This was definitely a successful head shave. Good review. In my book, you know, there's things out there that I would prefer over this, but as far as a $2 razor, you know, something where you ain't got to prep a bunch of soap and put blades and stuff and things like that, you know, I really couldn't recommend it more. Comfortable shave, good shave, close shave. And also, guys, we're going to be giving away a 4-pack of these and a Defender razor all in one package. So remember, drop me a comment as #shark in the comments below. And if you do that, that will get you an entry into the giveaway. So this video should drop Sunday, April 11th. And we will run it through Sunday, April 18th. Actually, I'll close it off Saturday night. On the 17th, and then we will do some kind of a little Instagram live, or maybe do a little YouTube live, and we will use the random name picking wheel, I guess you call it. It's like basically a random name generator, and from that right there we will pick a winner on Sunday. So good luck, guys. I'll see you all then, and I appreciate everybody for joining. We will catch you guys on the next video. Hey everyone, thank you for watching. If you're new here and you want to support the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and remember to follow me across all social medias.